In today's video I'm going to be showing you the Mini 4 Pro. I don't know if you know, but you can do precision landing. Now, is it true or is it just a gimmick? But the first thing you've got to do, guys, you've got to get this drone up in the air to make it work. And I'm going to show you how you can do it. Okay, I've seen quite a few videos about this precision landing, and to be quite honest, some people said it's something to do with the top right hand top there next to the RC thing, which it ain't. I've also people saying it's you've got to take it up to 5 to 7 meters, which I think is too tall. Guys, it's simple. All you got to do, auto take off. That's all you got to do. You've just got to auto take off. What it's doing now, it's recording that position. So just to prove it, we're going to send it off up, and we're going to send it out, and we're going to bring it back in. I'm going to put the controller down. Okay, I'm just going to go in this direction here. We're just going to drop the gimbal down a little bit. We're just going to go out. Going to go over this area here. Okay, I'm just going to bring it over a little bit. Okay, that'll do. So all we do is return to home.
Return to home.
I'm going to put this controller down because that will just prove that I'm not messing about with the screen. Obviously, I'll be letting you see what's going on the screen. What you're seeing at the moment, you're seeing a nice green corridor where the drone's going. And once the drone gets above, it will drop the camera down, and as it gets closer, you'll see what I call like a Mickey Mouse shape. It's the shape of the drone, and it's going to land on that H.
Landing.
Because that's where it took off, that's where it's going to land. There you are, precision landing. Guys, that's all you have to do is when you do auto takeoff, you just leave it there for a couple of seconds so it just records where it's taken off from. Okay, it's off like an inch, but that just proves precision landing. So, hope you found that useful. It's a very quick thing, I must say. I could send it up a couple of times. I just think I'd be wasting my time with you guys. That's all you have to do, guys. Auto take off, give it there for a couple of seconds, and then you can fly your job. That drone will come back virtually where it took off. So as always, if you found it interesting, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't find it interesting, give it a thumbs down, and I'll catch you on another video very soon.